Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Pranavi, for joining in. Today we are reading about the greatest life lie. Yesterday we had discussed how living in here and now is so very important. And, it is more about uh, what you can do now, earnestly, consciously, and consistently. Today, the author is talking about the greatest life lie. Let's dive into the chapter and read what is it for that he's sharing with us. So yesterday, if I summarize yesterday's session, it was all about how we
Mm-hmm.
normally live either in the past or in the future, and we
Mm-hmm.
forget to enjoy the present moment. And
Okay.
yesterday's session was more about that.
Oh,
So the greatest life lie. Youth says to live earnestly and consciously. Philosopher. For example, one wants to get into a university but makes no attempt to study. This is an attitude of not living earnestly here and now. Of course, maybe the entrance examination is still far off. Maybe one is not sure what needs to be studied or how thoroughly. But and sorry, and one can dance. यही था ना, where are we? No. And one finds it troublesome. Hmm. However, it is enough to do a little by little, do it little by little every day. One can work out some mathematical formulas. One can memorize some words. In short, one can dance the dance. By doing so, one is sure to have a sense of this is what I did today. This is what today, this single day was for. Clearly, today is not for an entrance examination in the distant future. And the same thing would hold true for your father too. He was likely dancing earnestly the dance of his everyday work. He lived earnestly here and now without having a grand objective or the need to achieve that objective. And if that was the case, it would seem that your father's life was a happy one. So, do you get this, Pranavi? Pranavi, are you with me?
yeah, I am with you. In mute, I was talking that I wasn't in mute, but I didn't know that. So he's what he wants to say is you can achieve the goal, but you need to take small steps one by one. It can't be achieved in go kind of thing,
Hmm.
and that's it, right?
Yeah. So it's like there were two terms that this guy used yesterday. That
Mm-hmm.
was I'll check in the book because I have also skipped that.
Mm-hmm.
Um नहीं वो 2 दिन पहले थी. One was Energia and the
Mm-hmm.
other one was something I don't remember. Energia. That was Energia was Energia is that you're looking at the goal and you're just working towards the goal. You do not enjoy the life here and now.
Okay. Yeah,
And
he was telling, no, like it shouldn't be that serious. You should also enjoy the journey towards reaching the goal.
exactly. Yes. That point. You were there on that day, right?
Yes, yes.
And then there was some other word which was talking about that I'm enjoying today as well. And I'm working some little bit towards reaching the goal as well.
Okay.
Right? तो उसी के कंटेक्स्ट में ये भी बात बोली गई है. तो डांस वाज अबाउट दैट ओनली कि व्हेन वी डांस वी आर एक्चुअली एंजॉयिंग द डांस. When I go for walk, if I'm just walking, ki I have to, walk 10,000 steps, it becomes very boring. It becomes very this frustrating as well. I might leave it in between, ki hi Ram, it is too difficult. While if I keep on enjoying the process in between while watching the nature, by enjoying the flowers and trees and everything, it becomes a beautiful place to be in. I will have some kind of a win that
True.
day as well.
True. Yes.
So the youth says, are you telling me to affirm that way of living? That I should accept my father's constantly work burdened existence. So youth के जो father थे, he was already very workaholic kind of a person, and the youth feels that he never gave us time. And now this philosopher is also telling, has also taken his example कि हो सकता है he was actually happy doing what he was doing because he knew what he's achieving through it.
Okay.
So the philosopher says there is no need to make yourself affirm it. Only instead of seeing his life as a line when he reached, start seeing how he lived it. See the moments of his life. Youth, the moments, philosopher. And the same way, sorry, philosopher. And the same may be said with regard to your own life. You set objectives from the distant future and think of now as your preparatory period. You think, I really want to do this, and I will do it when the time comes. This is a way of living that postpones life. As long as we postpone life, we can never go anywhere and will only pass our days one after the next in dull monotony because we think of here and now as just a preparatory period, as a time for patience. But here and now is which one is studying for an entrance examination in a distant future, for example, is the real thing. And when we do that, that is how we live earnestly and consciously as well. कि हमारे को कुछ अचीव करना है तो we should know ना कि मेरे ये steps हैं. तो उसी के हिसाब से अगर मेरे को just like I do it, right? कि every single day I have made a schedule कि हाँ, if I want to reach there, these are the steps, and for that matter, today this is what I need to do. And I live in today. I'm not thinking all the time कि अरे वो पहुंचेंगे नहीं पहुंचेंगे. I have already planned it. Now I have to focus on every single day.
That
If
is
I,
the real meaning of here and now. But
yes,
if we think that I can do it later and I'll do it whenever the time permits or something like that, it's like indirectly you are procrastinating things, and
yes,
somewhere you're either living in the past or future kind of thing.
absolutely. And abhi for my very shortest goal is the summit, the Rising Sign Summit that we are hosting on the Sunday. सुबह
Mhm.
9 बजे से शाम को 6 बजे तक. तो what will I be doing? My all the focus would be कि what is the step that I need to take so that that event is absolute success. उसके हिसाब से जो काम है I am so because मेरा long term goal can be might be something else, that is to
Mhm.
become world class coach. But
Mhm.
it doesn't mean कि मेरे बीच बीच में stumbles नहीं आएंगे, बीच बीच में कुछ और goals नहीं आएंगे, right? So
Yes.
any goal that comes, I will make it a goal if it takes me to the larger goal.
Mm. Got it.
And then this smaller goal, the short term goal, के हिसाब से अगर मैं एक एक दिन बिताना शुरू करूंगी, the entire week I've been only working on this project. कि संडे को डिलीवरी है, संडे को उससे पहले क्या क्या ये बनने देना है, वो बनने देना है, वर्कबुक्स प्रिंट करवानी है, this and that. तो I've been only working consistently on that कि okay, these things are done. That is a win for me कि हाँ जी, आज सारा ये सारा डिजिटल काम हो गया, आज we have spoken about, so we are 7 speakers, so we have done this is XYZ. So every single day will count. So the youth says, okay, नहीं एक मिनट, हाँ ठीक है. Youth
Yeah,
says,
okay. It's
okay,
from there only.
is it on this page? I can't see it.
I'm able to see it's in the
अच्छा
second
ठीक है ये.
paragraph. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll accept that. I can certainly accept living earnestly here and now. and not setting up some fabricated line. But I don't have any dreams or objectives in my life. I don't know what dance to do. My here and now is nothing but utterly useless movement. Philosopher. Not having an objective or the like is fine. Living earnestly here and now is itself a dance. One must not get too serious. Please do not confuse being earnest with being too serious. Philosopher. Be earnest, but not too serious. Philosopher. That's right. Life is always simple, not something that one needs to get too serious about. If one is living each moment earnestly, there is no need to get too serious. Because, of course, we are consistently, continuously working for that only. And then, जब आपको एक एक दिन आप देखोगे, wow, I have done such an amazing job. Every weekend, when you see, wow, I have come this far, it will be a journey that is full of joy and happiness. एंड दे दैट वे जब आपके पास सो इफ आई नो कि मेरे को 10,000 स्टेप्स चलने हैं एक दिन में, उसका भी मैंने स्प्लिट कर दिया कि एवरी आवर इफ आई वॉक फॉर 10 मिनट्स, आई डू 1,000 स्टेप्स, आई एम गुड टू गो. 10 घंटे में 10,000 स्टेप्स हो जाएंगे, राइट? तो
Yes.
अगर इफ आई नो कि 1,000 स्टेप्स एवरी आवर आई हैव टू वॉक, तो उसके साथ क्या होगा? एवरी आवर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर इज अ विन, वो 1,000 हो गए, वंडरफुल, आई एम हैप्पी. एंड उसका मतलब ये नहीं होगा ना कि आई विल नॉट बी स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद माई फैमिली मेंबर्स, आई विल नॉट बी हैविंग फूड, आई विल नॉट बी चिट चैटिंग विद पीपल. आई विल हैव अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ.
True.
Philosopher says that's right. Life is simple, not something that one needs to get too serious about. If one is living each moment earnestly, there is no need to get too serious. And there is another thing I would like you to keep in mind. When one has adopted an managerial viewpoint, life is always complete.
Where is this line? Acha.
I think ये ऐसा कुछ हो गया इसको.
Okay, okay.
So youth says it's complete. Philosopher. If your life, or mine for that matter, were to come to an end here and now, it would not do to refer to either of them as unhappy. The life that ends at the age of 20 and the life that ends at 90 are both complete lives and lives of happiness. Youth. So if I have lived earnestly here and now, those moments will always be complete. Philosopher says exactly. Now, I have used the word life lie again and again throughout our discussion. I would like to conclude by talking about the greatest life lie of all. Youth, please do. Philosopher, the greatest life lie of all is not live here and now. It is to look at the past and the future, cast a dim light on one's entire life, and believe that one has been able to see something. Until now, you have turned away from the here and now and only shone a light on invented pasts and futures. You have told a great lie to your life, to these irreplaceable moments. Wow, this is so beautiful. So, in the last chapter, we also read about how when we are thinking about the past or the future, we are throwing the light towards them. तो हम लोग खुद जो है वो डिमर लाइट में रहते हैं. But when you live in here and now, the light bulb is on you. So you are into the light. The future and the past does not have that much light, or they do not.
I mean, you're not giving that much energy to both the future and the past thing. Rather, that whole unified energies you're focusing on the here and now.
Here and now, exactly. You got that right.
Yeah.
Youth. Oh, okay. Philosopher. So cast away the life light and fearlessly shine a bright spotlight on here and now. That is something you can do. Exactly, isn't it? हम जब स्टेज पे चले जाते हैं, स्टेज के ऊपर जब लाइट आती है तो वो सिर्फ स्पीकर के ऊपर आ जाती है. And then speaker doesn't feel any fear.
True.
He speaks. What is right, we are going to do that if we understand that we are on the spotlight all the time.
Exactly. You'll feel conscious and you'll be, I mean, whatever is supposed to be delivered, you would do it at any cost.
Youth says, that is something I can do. Do you think I have in me the courage to live out of these moments earnestly without resorting to the lifeline? Philosopher. Since neither the past nor the future exists, let's talk about now. It's not yesterday or tomorrow that decides it. It's here and now. And that's the end of this chapter. Tomorrow we will be talking about give meaning to seemingly meaningless life. Wow. Seemingly meaningless life.
Give meaning to okay.
Give meaning to seemingly meaningless life. Oh, okay. That will be interesting. All right. Pranavi, do you want to share anything? Thank you, Archana, for joining in.
Mm,
Thank you.
he is, I mean, the author is very much precise that you need to be in here and now. I mean, what I want to say is, I mean, I don't have anything to say. I got the profound meaning of it. So,
Yes.
yeah, so then while executing things, I need to think about it. Like, I mean, how I have to use it in my own life is whenever if I go into past or future, I should again reaffirm myself that I need to be here and now. That's what, that's the takeaway, I guess.
That is what
Karishma.
will actually matter. So if I say that Rise and Shine is happening on Sunday, and I
Mm-hmm,
keep on waiting for that day to come, and then
mm-hmm,
on that day I am in a big chaos कि भाई मुझे तो पता ही नहीं करना क्या है. Oh, that is not
mm.
going to help me, right?
Yes,
I have
yes,
to be prepared in the beginning, from the beginning. Earnestly living मतलब कि मैं हर रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ काम कर रही हूँ towards a successful XYZ event.
true. True. And when you do that kind of things only, you will be courageous enough to face the spotlight or even, I mean, it's all proportional to your confidence. And obviously, this confidence comes when you prepare things beforehand. Yeah, a lot of deep work is would be there, Karishma. I can totally understand that.
Wonderful. All right. Archana, do you want to share anything? I know you have joined in quite late, but do you have any?
Uh, but as you are talking about doing like hard work and planning out things, so this is what we all are doing since last 1 month for our retreat. So
Especially
I
rigorously since last 1 week. अब तो आ ही गया.
I mean, so many things going on. Of course, the closer we head towards our event, the more work pops up. ये भी रह गया, ये अरे ये रह गया, and all that stuff. And yes, like we are engaged since like long hours doing meetings and getting the things done. So this is what, of course, करना पड़ता है.
Hmm. चलो. We shall close today's meeting here only. It's only a 26 minutes का छोटा सा session, but it
You're
holds a
actually
lot of
looking
value.
tired, Karishma.
Huh?
You're looking exhausted.
Am I?
Yeah.
I don't so.
No,
No,
Really
no.
exhausted
I
लगना भी
have
चाहिए.
oil in my head. I have done
okay.
some oiling, so maybe because of that, like it's like a little this thing.
No, your eyes have become little bit drowsy kind of thing. So,
No, I'm good. I'm good.
okay. Okay.
Thank you so much for asking.
Yeah.
We shall close today's meeting here only, and tomorrow at 10 p.m. we shall read about giving meaning to meaningless life.
Meaningless life means, I think, in our
Seemingly,
perspective,
seemingly.
seemingly it is meaningless, but then let's give a meaning kind of thing.
Yes, of course, because seemingly meaningless मतलब हमारे को लग रहा है कि it is meaningless, but it actually has a lot of meaning to it.
True, true. At least you people have something to work on it, Karishma. I too, I'm like in a total bland space.
Why?
Like, I mean, I'm done with everything, and then I say I need to just discipline my life. That's it. I should make sure that my mind is not going in the different directions or in the negative directions or whatever. Always
Which
choose
city do you live
activities.
in? Pranavi, where do you
I,
live?
I stay in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yeah. I mean,
So
I'm
Hyder-
done. I mean, my boy and my girls, like, I mean, the responsibilities are totally done with them.